I am Mr. Tian, directly the general manager and owner, is going to show us how to work this infrared IC heater reflow oven, which has the smart digital control in association with DGC, Dragon Group China International. So here we have the menu and the functions, and we're going to show you how to operate so you can get the best results of this. So in the functions, we will see that has already preset some wave flows and some program ready for you to work, and also the menu will give you what is the best material for each of those waves. So this, for example, is the wave number 1. It's telling us that it's suitable for 85 SN, 15 PV, 70 SN to 30 PV. Solder temperature for total time of 440 seconds. And then it's going to show us this pre-programmed set number 1 in the graphic, and then the number 2, and it's totally for a different component, goes with different temperature. This is telling us that it's suitable for 63 SN with 37 PV, 260 SN with 40 PV. We're talking about components of the motherboards and chips. The total time is going to be 420 seconds. The temperature is going to be 225 centigrades for 10 seconds. So we see here that in the waves, it shows us the peak temperature and how long is going to take the oven to get to that peak temperature, for how long time is going to work around that peak temperature, and what is the total process for the reflow. This oven has an area of 300 times 330 millimeters, and the smart digital control makes the heat go all over in a circular wind flow. So all the parts of your board are going to be evenly heated according to the program we have set here. So we have the third wave. The third wave goes for 480 seconds. It's going to be AG 3.5 to AG 4 and CU 5. That's the components that we're looking for here. The soldering temperature is going to be 257 centigrades for 10 seconds. He's setting this part here of the peak of the temperature for what he needs for his component. And then after you have your program done for your work, then you set it, and the machine is going to save that wave as your customized personal program for your work. Anytime you need it to change it, you just set it and change it for your needs. Then when you are done, you put all your peaks, you put your time, and then you click set, and it's okay, and it's going to save your information. And that's done. Now you always, when you are going to work with your program, here you have your menu in English, in Chinese. So you have all your function number 1 to always use your own personal temperature and the other functions to use the other temperatures that are pre-programmed in the machine. Here we have the time that is going to be used, the temperature that is the machine right now having, Lucy. The procedure already started in the wave number 7, the one that we just programmed, and here is already working. He's already working. He is right now, the preheating lamp is working. The fan for the circular wind function is not working yet, and here is showing the progression. Here is showing the progression of the procedure that we are employing right now. And here you have the ways to also modify your procedure. You can stop it and work in another way, or reprogram and all that. So this is smart digital controls, and this is a Puhui T-962A heater infrared reflow oven presented in DDC media. Remember, any information you need you can ask in info@puhui.com, and this infrared here was presented directly from the creator, the general manager and owner of Puhui Technologies, Mr. Tian here. And remember to visit us at www.puhui.com. This video directly from Shandong Province, Taiwan City, in China, by DDC Media. So here we have the board that is right now printed, and now what you do is put the chips on top, and with your soldering oven here, with your IC heater, you finish all the soldering part of your boards. And at the end, this is what we are going to have from the combination of this printing table 240 and the work of the infrared IC heater T-962A. These are the boards finished with the chips and all the connections there, ready to go to the assembly line, where they're going to put all the other resistances and condensers and all the rest of the board. This is a presentation by DDC Media. Visit us at www.puhui.com.